Good Crafter Sublimation Oven Machine gave customized and unique gifts. Complete sublimation oven set. Large capacity for bulk printing. Digital LCD control. Safer and more uniform heating. Perfect gift. Six steps to heat print a beautiful pattern. First, fix the prepared pattern on the cup with heat-resistant tape. Then, apply heat shrink film on the cups and heat it with a heat gun to wrap the cups. Put the cups into the sublimation oven machine. Turn on the power and press the on-off key, then set the plus and minus keys of the time and temperature to increase or decrease the value. Then, wait 15 to 20 minutes. Take out the cup when the heat print is complete. Then let it cool for a few minutes. Finally, tear the heat shrink film and paper.